Hello friends, let's unbox some huge animal toys collection. Meet our new friend Mr. Parrot. Hello friends, I am Mr. Parrot and I will be unboxing some sea animal toys, farm animal toys. Let's meet some more new friends today. Meet Mr. Sheep. Hi there people, I am Mr. Sheep. Hi there, I am Mr. Lion and I will be unboxing some animal toys today. So keep watching. Let's unbox some sea animal toys and learn of the names of some sea animals. Our first animal is a blue whale. Blue whale. Blue whales are the heaviest and the largest sea mammal. Our next animal is an octopus. An octopus have 8 legs. Octopus. Next is a dolphin. Dolphins are the cutest and most friendliest sea mammal. Dolphin. Next animal is a crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile which lives on land as well as in water. Crocodile. Let's see which is the next animal. It's a crab. Crab. A starfish. Starfish. A greenfish. Greenfish. Lobster. 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 Seal. 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 Leopard shark. Leopard shark. Leopard shark. Sea otter. Sea otter. A sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sea snail. Sea snail. Orca whale. Orca whale. Stingray. Stingray. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. They are also called domestic animals. A rabbit. A rabbit. A donkey. Donkey. Rooster. Rooster. Goat. Goat. A buffalo. Buffalo. A cow. A cow is a social animal. Cow. Sheep. Sheep. Our last farm animal is a horse. Horse is a domesticated social animal. Let's unbox some wild safari animal toys. Our first animal is a lion. A beautiful lion figure. Lion. Lion. Hippopotamus. Look at the big mouth of the hippo. Hippopotamus. Zebra. Beautiful striped zebra. Red deer. Red deer. Our next animal is a leopard, the fastest land animal. Next up is the heaviest land animal, elephant. Elephant. Our next animal is the tallest land animal, giraffe. Giraffe. Next we have a rhinoceros, a beastly wild animal. A tiger. Tiger is one of the most powerful wild animal of the jungle. Let's unbox some insect toys and learn their names. A snake. A grasshopper. grasshopper, a dragonfly, a ladybug, a cockroach, a housefly, a fly, a scorpion, an ant, a centipede, mantis,